Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by updating the app and preparing the iPad. This avoids crashes. Once done, open Pubg and go straight to Settings. You want to access graphics and display first so you can pick an iPad-friendly aspect and resolution. Make sure Performance mode is off if you prefer quality. Otherwise, choose Frame Rate Priority. Next, adjust HUD scale slightly smaller so controls aren't cramped on the wider iPad view. These first steps get the app ready to show an optimized tablet layout. Now you refine the actual iPad view. In Display, pick the aspect ratio that matches your iPad that fixes stretched UI elements. Once selected, open Control Editor and drag buttons outward. Larger screens need slightly bigger spacing so you don't misstep. Then, enable gyroscope and set sensitivity lower than phone defaults because movements scale differently on an iPad. Save the layout and test in a training match. This middle phase tunes ergonomics and aim behavior for tablet play. Finish by validating changes in a live practice round. You want to confirm HUD visibility, aim feel, and that no buttons overlap the edges. If you notice frame drops, lower resolution or switch to performance mode. Smoothness beats ultra detail in fast fights. If HUD elements overlap or disappear, reopen Control Editor and nudge controls, then save. Should problems persist, restart the app and clear cache. These simple steps resolve most layout and rendering glitches fast.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.